charisma are captured flawlessly in every photograph. So her ability to captivate through the lens is truly remarkable. To award our Miss Photogenic, I'd like to call in our SA chairperson, Honorable January C. Crisol.